Get ready to practice for the IELTS speaking section so that you can get that Band 9 perfect score. We will be talking about shoes and being friendly. Pay attention to the high-level underlined vocabulary and phrases. Now, let's begin. Welcome to the speaking section of the IELTS exam. My name is Adrian. I will be your examiner for this part of the test. May I see your identification? What is your full name? The speaking has 3 parts. I will give you instructions for each. For part 1, I will ask you a couple of questions to get to know you better and some questions on a general topic. Where do you live? What is your favorite sport? Let's talk about shoes. Do you prefer trendy or comfortable shoes? Can you easily find your shoe size in stores? What kind of shoes do you usually wear and why? Do you spend a lot on shoes? Have the kind of shoes you wear daily changed over the past 10 years? If you could buy any pair of shoes in the world, what would they be? That is the end of part 1. We will now continue with part 2. To learn vocabulary effectively, make sure to follow these steps. First, write down the definition. Second, create an example sentence. And third, use it in your speaking and writing right away. When the examiner asks the candidate about what types of shoes she often wears, she uses the word elegant. Here, you first write down the definition, meaning of high status and looking beautiful. Then you create a personal example sentence that includes you. I have an elegant pair of dance shoes that I use on the weekends when I go to parties with my friends. As soon as you get a chance to include this word in your writing or speaking, do so. Follow these steps and you will not only remember vocabulary forever, but you will also be able to use it effectively. Now, let's continue. For this part, I will show you some questions. You will have 1 minute to read these and think about your answers. You can take notes in this 1 minute preparation time. You have some paper there and your pencil. Then you will have 1 to 2 minutes to speak. I will tell you when to start and when to stop. Talk about a person you had to be friendly with but didn't really like. Your 1-minute preparation time begins now. Your 1-minute preparation time is up. Please begin speaking. Your time is up. Please put the note paper to the side, turn it over, put your pencil to the side as well, and now we will continue with part 3. An excellent trick for the speaking part 2 cue card answer to come up with a good idea is to think about popular answers, meaning consider what 9 from 10 people might choose for this kind of question. In this case, when the cue card is about a person that you had to be friendly with, who you may not have really liked, what would 9 of 10 people often choose? Definitely, a lot of people, like Aliona, would think about a teacher or a professor who they don't necessarily like, but they have to be friendly with to get good grades. Some other people may also choose their boss or coworker. Consider this thought when you're getting ready in that 1 minute for your part 2 cue card. What would most people answer for this question? This will often help you to identify a great choice and give a good answer. Be sure to practice this regularly at home. After watching part 2, it is clear that Aliona is quite confident in this speaking interview. And as many of you know, confidence is essential for getting those high band scores. A lot of students feel nervous during the IELTS exam, and there are strategies to overcome this. Of course, firstly, practice is a great way to gain confidence. And you can do just that on our website. Simply click the link in the video description and sign up for a free account. Use the Student Partner Speaking to practice for the IELTS speaking interview for free every day. When you're ready, you can click on the Interview Speaking Practice button to connect with a professional native English speaking tutor who will assess your entire speaking interview and give you tips on how to improve. Make sure to sign up today and start building confidence for your next IELTS exam. For this part, I will ask you some more questions related to the topic of part 2. If you met with Mr. Sidorov today, would you still be friendly with him? To watch the full video and for more tips and strategies, visit and join our premium IELTS package at gieltshelp.com, where you will get over 100 hours of video lessons, a fully interactive course, practice exams, and an app for your phone. It's a one-time payment for lifetime access. Use the code 9FORME for a 10% discount. Click the link in the video description. We are a certified IELTS test registration center, IDP British Council partners, and I'm a British Council agent. Begin learning for success today. Subscribe to our channel. Click over here. Watch another video? Click right up here. And join our premium package. Click on our hero to practice your speaking, get videos, exams, and an interactive course.